वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसली, सावध आनी भलायकी. गरमी वाडल्या, इट्स व्हेरी हॉट, इट्स समर इन इंडिया and the best thing what you can do is eat as much as cooling things. So this is like a cooked rice what I am going to show you all, and now it is overnight over here. So we will add some milk, one chopped onion in this. So one chopped onion, rice quantity it's up to you how much you want, and this is like for 2 people. I will add half cup of milk in this and 1 cup of curd in this. So 1 cup of curd. So this is like curd rice but fermented one. And now we will leave this for overnight along with the onion, and tomorrow I will show you. Mix nicely and now leave this. So you can keep it for cooling in mud vessel, but I am keeping it this in my cooker. Okay, and that's it. Tomorrow I will show you what is next. We have to just give a tadka. Even if you don't give tadka, that's fine, but if you give tadka, it tastes nice, and cooling it is. Very less oil you have to use. Okay, thank you. Now this is our overnight rice with curd and all. It's also known as probiotic rice. Then you can say curd rice also. So now we will give tadka for this. Add salt and eat it. So we add mustard seeds around 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon we add our cumin seeds, few danas of methi. Then we add that is asafida, curry leaves, and 1 red chili. It we add into it. Mix this nicely. And salt to taste. That's it. Done. Serve it and enjoy this in this summer. Hope you all will like this. Thank you.
And here it is ready. CurdRice probiotic, and it's cooling for the summer season. Enjoy.